Yazi ngoba amathuba omsebenzi engekho kanje bengicabanga ukuthi mhlampe ngifundise iy'lwane ukweqa umgwaqo njengey'nkomo ney'mbuzi. Ngiy'fundise ukweqa umgwaqo, thola ukuthi sengithi mo, ngisho ukuthi ayimi mhlampe me, mo, abone iy'nto ey'kanjalo.
Coño.
Mama, kgopolo tlo go le mpitsa hle motho modimo ke nyaka plaka.
O nyaka plaka?
Ya phone ya ka yana Pedro. Nyaka jwala motho modimo.
Like, I really want one boyfriend, but if God is gonna give me 4 or more, whomst am I to refuse? Whomst am I to refuse?
They sad. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. My swag, they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'?
Uyazi kunento engihlupha njalo mangithi ngiyakubuka la kunento esimo sungumoya efika la kumini ithi zokhuluma ngithi ngiyabuza ukuthi umuntu omdala yes kunento ehamba ihlala la iqolo kuwena ngathi ngiyabuza ukuthi umuntu omdala ya kunesimo sento eyishumi ehleli la kuwena iqolo kwathatha into yakho ngasese yasetshenzwa ngathi ngiyabuza ukuthi kwenze njani uthi cha kunomama ngamakhelwane ohlelo udumisile uthi uyakabona uyafunga uyagomela uthi wena angeke wena walungelwa yilutho ngathi yini odumona ngathi kwenze
Number 37. Number 37. You may now approach tops. You have 30 minutes. Enjoy.
Is it terrifying?
Shit, I don't even know. Like, I can't even tell you that.
Hello there, very good evening to you. You're watching The Full View here on SABC News Channel. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm Tipi Soma.
Cyril, taste my hero. As enigiemand van julle miskien vir Cyril vandag nog in Pretoria sien, dan gee jy vir my movies se kies van Cookie Mema. Cyril, jy is my beste. Weet jy, ek kan net so baie bly wees dat jy vanaand gepraat het. Ek sê vir julle, ou borreltjie, ek het mos al lank lank vir jou geloop met dinges. Van die 1 June af is jy weer vol, dan is ek en jy weer beste pelle. O ja, nog 'n ding, julle bied 'n gou speel voor Cyril weer sy by change en nou cigarettes.
Let me give you guys the weather forecast. Chilling on the couch, drinking wine, not a single baby in sight. You can't get... Okay, Nyeza.